How to create Metro Bank online account. Hello everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and now on the search bar type metrobankonline.co.uk and press enter. Now click on login and from here select personal banking. Once you're here, you want to click on New to Online Banking Register Here option. Now click on Register for Online Banking option, and once you do that, it is going to bring you to this page right here. Over here, you need to enter your 12-digit customer number. Then after that, enter last 4 digits of your mobile number. And finally, enter your magic word. Magic word is the code that you chose or received when you opened your account. After you've entered this, click on the continue button. Now this is going to take you to another page where you can continue creating your account, and after all the information has been given, your account will be created. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.